Today we're going to be seeing if seafoam deep creep will unseize an old engine. This is an old Yamaha ET 340. I'm not actually sure of the year, but all I know is it's seized, and we're going to see if seafoam deep creep can fix that. I have no intentions of getting this engine running. It is completely broken, but just as a test to see if seafoam will work, we're going to try it. The can says, sorry about the dog. It says, upon contact, deep creep immediately begins to creep deeply into otherwise unreachable places. Deep creep frees rust and sticky parts, stops squeaks, displaces moisture, protects and cleans metal parts. Deep creep is the best choice to free a seized engine. Saturate area with deep creep and let it work. When parts are severely stuck, use deep creep after parts have been heated. Deep creep will work very well with heated parts and will not dissipate. So we're going to give this a good shake. And we're just going to saturate these pistons. I'm pretty sure I'm not sure if you're supposed to have the heads on or not, because I've seen some people do it where they have those on and they just take the spark plugs out and spray them in there. But I took these off, so we're just gonna give those a healthy dose. I'm just gonna leave that sit overnight, and we're gonna see if it works. Except I'm not expecting it to work overnight. I'm gonna come back and test it multiple times. But it's getting pretty late out tonight, so I'm gonna head back to the house, let this sit overnight, then come back tomorrow and see if it works, and then if not, we'll give it a little bit more time to sit. I forgot to show that this engine's actually seized, so we're just gonna take this cord right here and just pull on it. The pistons don't move at all. She's completely seized. It's the next day. It's been more than 12 hours. I'm not exactly sure how long, but it's been more than 12 hours. And if you look, the seafoam in both cylinders has either evaporated off or penetrated in there. So yeah, she's still stuck. So I wasn't recording, but I put a breaker bar on the clutch here and I just gave her a good turn, and those pistons are moving. So she's basically unseized. Let me see if I can get this back on here. Back on there, and on these pistons. It's not the smoothest operation, but they're moving. So, give you a better view here. If I can get this socket on here. There we go. They're moving. Getting smoother and smoother, so take a little bit more of this deep creep. Spray it in there. Work it around a bit. So let's put this on a ratchet does a full rotation. She's unseized. So let me know down in the comments if you have any video recommendations, follow-up videos on the sled, doing something on it, or just anything. Doesn't have to be with the sled. Just comment down below if you want to see me do something.